Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Hi guys! So we are back with another beauty challenge, and this time we are taking on the blindfolded makeup challenge again, or as you millennials like to call it, the bird box challenge. And I have Himani over here with me. She has joined our team recently in the beauty team, and you'll see a lot more of her now in the upcoming beauty videos. So make sure you show her some love.
I already feel so loved because I've heard you don't let anybody touch your face, but you're letting me do your makeup, so I hope for the best.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I'll start with foundation. Okay. Where is your face? Okay, yeah, that's your face. Okay, it is your face.
It is my face. Where do you think? Where else do you think you would be putting foundation, bro?
I thought it was your neck. Okay. I don't know if I have enough product, but yeah, I think
Yeah, why risk it?
I'll just take more stuff. I think you're anyways very flawless. Don't need too much coverage. Where's your face? Gone? Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay then. Very gentle she is.
I think we're done here. Okay, so next is highlighter. Something. This is the highlighter.
Okay then.
That's why I just know. Where's your face? Okay, I've lost. Is that your forehead? Yeah.
Maybe.
And where's your nose?
Oh yeah. There you go. Highlight. Sorry, my
So
entire
Shreya, do you
face.
like a lot of concealing or no?
Yeah. You can do whatever you want today. Highlighting versus concealing.
There's a concealer and then
Okay, my teeth have some concealing. I know I don't have very white and bright teeth, but concealer is not the solution to
it's
it.
the complete look that we are giving you.
Yeah.
So, compact.
Okay then.
No, this is not the compact.
Thank God. I'm so happy you figured that out.
And then we
Nice.
gently will just buff
Mm-hmm.
the compact.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because we don't want to move a lot of.
Foundation around. That is
yeah.
already moved.
Yeah, that's your nose.
Mm-hmm. Which will probably go inside now. Just gentle pressure. Say my nose will turn inside out.
Bronzer.
Okay then.
Where's your face? And now we will just give her a jawline.
Okay.
Where will you stop moving your
My jawline is ticklish, let's just say that. Also, it doesn't have a hole and doesn't
Where is
wear
your
earrings.
face? Okay. Oh, it's here.
Yeah, somewhere.
Okay.
Not bad.
Why are you moving?
I'm ticklish.
Okay, sorry. Okay. No, wait. Where's...
She is just contouring inside my nose. Because
Okay.
inside beauty is more important than outside beauty, guys. Very nice.
I think enough, yeah. You have a lot of bronzing. Okay, what blush would you like? Pick.
Oh, you choose. I think it's your vision that counts here.
I'll just choose all four.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so it's just a mixture of amazing colors which will blend and just flush your face.
Flush your face. I would like to flush my face, but not like this.
Okay.
Like down the drain types.
And this is the highlighter.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah. See, I know my products very well.
Okay then.
And then... So do you like a lot of shine on your face?
As per this look, clearly yes.
So with your outfit, I think we can go with this.
I think this is the last video in which I'll be See, because now I feel my eyeballs will come out.
I would like to smoke it up. Please shut your eyes.
Yeah, I dare not open them right now.
And just blend very, very softly.
In a zigzag motion.
Yeah, we're just trying to create texture.
In my hairline.
Oh shit, is that? Okay, sorry.
Got it.
This one, yeah.
It's okay.
No, I was just trying to fix your bald spot still. And I think now I'll just use fingers. And
Okay,
then
then.
just put like a pop of color.
Oh yeah, a pop of color is happening on my eyes now.
Oh, no, that's not your eye.
Poop of color is happening on my eyes now.
Okay, where's your eye? Okay, here.
Yeah.
Here.
दो ही है यार, मतलब
Chalo.
ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत सारे में से ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, I like it's very
Can
good.
I open my eyes now or?
Yeah, please.
You want
Please
to put
see.
some more on my?
No. We're good to go. No, we're not good to go yet. But yeah. Actually, I found a lipstick.
Okay.
So I'll do your lipstick first.
Okay.
Just because I feel like today I want to do lipstick first.
Creative people को ऐसे creative वो देना चाहिए.
You need to shut because I want to put lipstick on. Okay?
Okay.
So shut up. Very nice lips. And we're going to make it nicer. Yeah, I think it's pretty sexy.
Beautiful.
And
Sexy.
you know, your pout. Please pout and show them.
From where exactly? Where you have put my lipstick or with my actual lips?
Okay, what is this? Oh, this is eyeliner.
God damn it.
Okay, so now because I have that, we'll do eyeliner, okay?
Oh shit, okay.
Where's your eye? You like wings? Do you like wings?
Oh, for sure.
Okay, cool.
Cat eyes today.
We'll give you wings.
Only if I could fly away right now. Oh yeah.
So yeah, go.
Oh, beautiful.
And here. So now we'll just give you the perfect brows of your dreams, which you can never get from any parlor auntie. I will give you that. And you want like an arch?
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, okay, we'll do that.
आज भी कर दो. आज तो दिल की सारी तमन्नाएं मेरे शक्ल पे उतार दो. ऐसे वर्टिकल क्यों हैं आपके आईब्रोज? मतलब मेरे पे ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं होना चाहिए.
Because ये थोड़ा arched है.
Oh.
You know, it's a little different. We're giving you
It's perpendicular to your face.
modern touch. So
Okay, anything else you want to?
I think we're pretty much done. Yeah, lipstick I did. Yeah, everything I did. I'm just waiting for this masterpiece to reveal.
Okay.
Can I just see it? Now, can I just see what I created? Okay.
Not getting good feelings about it.
So yeah, please show her the mirror.
My
Yeah,
final
mirror
looks,
hai.
guys. Holy!
But see, the base looks
No, but
pretty
you know,
good.
it's like I have those bunny rabbit eyelashes extended here. And then I have see bunny rabbit whiskers also. Thoda sa naak.
So we've created a theme. It's for Halloween. Just did it like 6 months or
What is
8
this?
months earlier.
It's like a tiger married a bunny and had a baby on my face.
Yeah.
So guys, after seeing this reaction, I would want to take back my words on show love to her. Okay, now she's damn cute. Please show her some love and please show me some love after
Yeah,
this look because I don't think I'm going to get any good comments. I'm going to get so much hate now. So guys, if you like this look, let us know in the comment section below, or whatever you feel about this look, let us know in the comment section below. And for more such fun videos, tune into POPxo Beauty.
And while you do that, don't forget to check out POPxo Shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like laptop sleeves, phone covers, notebooks, and so much more. So go check the link in the description below and happy shopping.